42, 48, 6650. This one can both act as a lead acid replacement, or you can take advantage of the smart BMS and its reporting capabilities. So here, you can't quite see it, but inside the cell block, there's an array of temperature sensors. They're also on the solid state relay and the BMS. So that allows the BMS itself to paint a pretty robust picture of what the thermal profile is at any given time. Also, you'll notice that there's no wiring harnesses here at all. We totally designed that out. So voltage, current, temperature pickups and sensors, there's no wiring harness for that anymore. The actual main current path doesn't go through any cables. It's all through Busbar, 72 millimeter squared bar. And essentially what we're left with is the BMS package. Now this I can actually pull right off the cell block and transplant to any voltage variation that we have.